I thought I'd do a quick video on this, and I wish I would have taken a picture of it first. But this the Seahawks car I drive, it's got one of the propane kits on it, and the spark plug there that we had in there was out of I don't know, 30, 40, 50,000 mile old plug that came out of another head that you would have just thrown away. And we put that in there and drove it about 100 miles. I could get the camera to focus. There's too many colors. Let me put it against the wall. Maybe it'll focus then. Just a sec. Come on, camera. Hold on a second. Work with me for just a second here. There's a trick to making an iPhone focus. There we go. Now it's focused. But it looks brand new. Well, obviously it's got a little wear and stuff around the edge there. But propane is just amazing. The car runs so good. And it's so nice not having a cold start up in a car. You know, you hit the key, it fires up, and you're ready to go. You don't have to wait for the motor to warm up or the idle to come up or down. But yeah, I just thought that was kind of cool. I was playing with it this morning because I was just trying to find a couple of kind of noisy lifter in it. I was trying to find a couple of good ones to stuff in it and try. But the spark plug part, that's kind of neat. Goes a long ways to show why propane cars don't need oil changes and they don't have rings that stick and all the problems that fatigue or wear out a 4-stroke motor, even a 2-stroke motor as far as that goes.